Having the ability to see the honeybees on the farm, incorporating that in real life is such a valuable lesson for the girls. It also blends into the ideas of community, which is often so rooted in every grade level. So second grade focuses on it in depth, but we touch on bees and pollinators and how do animals, and specifically honeybees, cooperate as a community.
It smells like honey.
Not only did we get to come out to the farm, find some bees, make some observations, prep some questions, we had another beekeeper that came out and prepped the girls, learning about what it takes to be a keeper, to have them prepared a little bit more of what they were gonna see, seeing the frames, the box, so that they would be ready to harvest the honey.
Feeling satisfied, is it? It is.
The words they used to describe it, the excitement on their face, and then also the questions they started asking. So all of that is just an opportunity for curiosity, and I love those to see what else they're thinking when they see new things. With Hutchison, I think we work to allow students in these types of projects to find their interest within the topic. And there's so many different ways that we're studying bees and creating habitats and understanding the anatomy and drawing, and we are the honeybees. And so they have that connection to the sting, and that also gives them curiosity, but also stake in the game. How can they connect and have ownership and responsibility to give back to the Hutchison community, to our Earth community?